McDonald's is leaving Belarus. President of Belarus, Alexander Lukashenko, thanked God for the American fast food brand McDonald's departure from Belarus. The president's speech was published in Telegram channel by the Poll of the First. Lukashenko appealed to his compatriots to eat their own and not rush to overseas companies. According to Lukashenko, many Belarusians began to grasp and groan about the withdrawal of a Western company from the local market. President of the Republic said, "But the place of McDonald's, where our people, our specialists work, where our goods are consumed, should be taken by Belarusians. Remember, no one else." The Belarusian president expressed confidence that the technology of an American fast food restaurant could easily be replaced by a local manufacturer. Lukashenko said, "What our people can't cut a bun in half and push a piece of meat, potatoes, and lettuce into each halves." On November 11th, the KSB Victory Restaurants company, which manages McDonald's fast food restaurants in Belarus, announced the continuation of the chain's operation under the Russian brand Vkusno-i Tochka. The Vkusno-i Tochka brand appeared in Russia after McDonald's refused to work on the Russian market, which is associated with the Ukrainian conflict and the subsequent sanctions confrontation. The company indicated that doing business in the country no longer corresponds to its values.